Mark, ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng divorce naman sa annulment of marriage?
Yun pinagdebatehan naman ngayon. Dami na rito, anong pagkakaiba ng diborsyo sa legal separation? Same effect. Maging binata ka uli. Maging dalaga ka uli. So therefore, you have now the capacity to remarry. But anong pagkakaiba ng divorce sa legal separation? O sa divorce sa annulment of marriage? Ang legal separation, the grounds of legal separation, hindi yan present at the time of the celebration of marriage. Present yan after the celebration of marriage. Like for example, you're physically abused. You're sexually abused. Drug addict ang asawa mo. Habitual drunkard ang asawa mo. Sexual pervert ang asawa mo. Yung sexual pervert, mas masaya siya na makipagtalik sa aso kaysa sa'yo. Sexual pervert. So, ibig sabihin, yung grounds na yan, hindi present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. Present yan after the celebration of marriage. Well, annulment of marriage, iba. Ang grounds na yan, present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. But, dahil nabulag ka sa pag-ibig, hindi mo alam ni asawa mo, may psychological problem pala. Nabulag ka sa pag-ibig. Another, yung asawa mo is physically incapable to consummate marriage. Hindi pala tumatayo ang flag ceremony. Ha? Wala.
So,
wala. So,
impotent pa rin.
Impotent. So, present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. Kasi kung ang impotent, yung hindi kaya makipagtalik, kung present yan after the celebration of marriage, hindi yan annulment. Kailangan kasi in annulment, present yung grounds on the day of the celebration of marriage. So, ibig sabihin, yung asawa mo may pagkabuang, yung asawa mo may psychologically incapacitated, may fraud na nangyayari, may panuloko na nangyayari, kailangan present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. Sa day sa kasal ninyo, present yung grounds na yan. Yun ang annulment. But, kung day of your kasal, perfect ang kasal. You in love one another. Mahal niyo isa't isa. Tapos, after 2 years, after 3 years, after 5 years, naging iba na ang asawa mo. Naging addict. Naging bakla. Naging tomboy. Mas gusto pala niya ang kapwa babae. Mas gusto pala niya ang kapwa lalaki. Naging physically abused ka. Sexually abused ka. Or infidelity. Nangangaliwa yung asawa mo. After 3 years, after 5 years, after 10 years. Yan. Grounds yan for divorce. Ibig sabihin, present yan after the celebration of marriage. Kasi pag present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage, hindi divorce yan. Annulment ang tawag doon.
Annulment. So, ibig sabihin, Kuya Mark, yung sinabi mo kanina na kunyari yung babae, may gusto palang babae din, tapos lalaki gusto ng lalaki. Ang grounds ba na yon ay under sa psychological incapacity or homosexuality, mga ganon?
Iba yung psychologically incapacitated, iba yung pagiging bakla, iba yung pagiging tomboy. Ang psychologically incapacitated under the law, under Article 36 of the Family Code, present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. Kasi nandyan na sa system ng pagkatao ng asawa mo since birth. Since birth. Kasi paano siya pinalaki ng kanyang magulang, ano yung environment niya. Since birth, yun talaga siya. Yun ang psychologically incapacitated ka. But pag naging, may iba kasi na lalaking-lalaki on the day of the celebration of marriage, but after 10 years, naging bakla.
Mga kasong ganyan sa mga artista ngayon.
Mukhang may kilala ka, Lala. Sino?
Hindi ko siya. Chismis lang naman yon.
Naging babae siya, very in love siya sa asawa niya, but after 5 years, naging tomboy.
Ayun.
But hindi naman siya tomboy nung bata siya.
Late bloomer, parang ganon.
Naging tomboy siya, ibig sabihin, pumatol na siya ng babae kasi sawa na siya sa lalaki. Pumatol siya ng babae after 10 years of the day of the celebration of marriage. Yan, grounds yan for divorce kasi yung pagiging tomboy niya o pagiging bakla niya, hindi naman present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. Kasi in annulment, kailangan i-prove mo sa court na yung mga depekto, present yan on the day sa inyong kasal. Kasi kung hindi yan present on the day of your kasal, hindi yan grounds for annulment. Ang diborsyo, hindi kailangan i-prove na present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. Kailangan mo lang i-prove na nangyari yan after ng inyong kasal.
Paano ang mga proof niyan, Kuya Mark, sa korte?
Of course, kailangan ka kumuha ng magaling na abogado. Magaling na abogado, magaling na medical practitioner na mag-prove na yung asawa mo bakla, tomboy, psychologist, or another, for example, physically abused ka, may mga medical certificate ka na ginawa kang punching bag ng asawa mo.
Naku, battered.
Battered husband ka,
Naku po.
battered wife ka,
Peanut
yung
butter.
asawa mo, ang lakas ng bunganga, mas malakas, mas SMNI. Oh, yun.
Ay, may hugot ka.
Grounds
Ano?
ba yun?
Ano?
Grounds ba yun? Yung
Yes.
nagger?
Nagger is a crown.
Talaga?
ganun ba?
Oh, yes.
Grabe
Gown.
naman.
In fact, under the Japanese divorce law, slander of deeds is one of the grounds for divorce.
Grabe.
Slander, yung ibig sabihin, bungangera ka.
Grabe,
Sa
okay.
lalaki at sa babae ba nag-a-apply
bungangera.
yan? Kahit
But
lalaki?
gowns yan sa Japanese, but under our present system, hindi gowns yan.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, wala pa naman talagang absolute divorce sa Pilipinas under the under general law. Ang sinasabi ko lang, iba yung annulment sa divorce kasi ang divorce, kailangan present yung grounds only after ng inyong kasal. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Yun. Sinuntok ka ng asawa mo, sinampal ka ng asawa mo, lalaki ka, pero ginawa kang punching bag ng asawa mo, may yung mukha mo, gas-gas ng gas, dahil sa kuko ng asawa mo, ginaganon-ganon ka. So yan, physically abused or may attempt na patayin ka ng asawa mo. Grounds for yun ang tinatawag na legal separation or divorce kasi present yan after the celebration of marriage. Pero pag psychologically incapacitated ka, pangalawa, insane ka, buang ka pala, during full moon lang, maging normal ka, doon panahon na kinasal ka, full moon, normal ka, but actually, before marriage, buang ka talaga. May topak yung utak mo, may bangag yung pagiging utak mo. Or
Bangag?
Bawal
bangag,
yun.
liki yung utak.
Ay, liki.
O liki, bangag, o yun.
Okay.
Ibig sabihin doon, present yun, hindi on the day of the marriage. Present yun on the day of the marriage or even before the celebration of marriage, nung bata ka pa lang, nandun na.
Pero pag meron ka ng yung bangag na sinasabi nyo, paano pag yung asawa din, bangag okay lang? Hindi naman, as long as approve naman ng asawa yung pagiging bangag.
Hindi, yung sabi ko, grounds yan, kailangan present yan before the celebration of marriage. Before. We say before, kailangan present yan before. Kung baka kayong dalawa, good faith, under the divorce law kasi.
In good faith?
In good faith.
May
alam
tinatawag
may
na sa legal separation.
nagkakasundo sila, ganon.
Ang legal separation kasi, no one goes to court with unclean hands. Ibig sabihin, kung idemanda mo ang asawa mo ng legal separation kasi addict, pero ikaw din addict,
Ayun, oo.
madismiss ang kaso.
It's a tie.
It's a tie
Madismiss
kasi
ang
wala
kaso.
kasing
Kasi,
ano tayo dito.
Negative,
Pareho sila
negative plus negative is equals positive.
Ah.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi yan magiging grounds for legal separation kasi na-waive na yan kasi ikaw mismo guilty ka. For example, idemanda mo ang asawa ng legal separation kasi nangangaliwa. Ikaw din mismo nangangaliwa. So, madismiss ang kaso on the ground na no one goes to court with unclean hands.